so chilly, guys. Because severe wind. Windy man, guys. The weather so crazy. I think one hour ago, strong wind and oh my goodness, strong wind and and the rain, the truss fall down. It's very windy. Tugnaw ka. Very windy. Hindi mo maintindihan ang weather dito, guys. Oh my goodness, so windy. And so very chilly. Yung jacket ko kasi, guys, hindi heavy. My jacket is not heavy. Gikurog ko, guys, sa tugnaw, guys. Outrush only few stop, guys, so that's why I fall down because my truss one is few truss only inside. Look at the sun, guys, right there. The sun. 5:30 I think. But the lights. Gusto kong picturean yung mga leaves. Oh, ang ganda. Ganda ng mga leaves, guys. Pero yung iba, guys, hindi man, oh. Still green. Oh, the bird flying. This tree. Nice. I love the trees. This is our mailbox over there. That's the mailbox. And that's the clubhouse right here. Guhom na guys kay grabe gid katugnaw guys. Wow, this tree was guys. Look at the tree. Wow, look at the tree, so beautiful. Still right there. Look, the trees. Like that. Ah, look at that. So beautiful tree. Hi guys! Unboxing tayo guys. So very chilly outside guys. Oh my goodness. I feel me pressing. My hands is very cold. Because of the windy guys. Very strong windy. We went to the mailbox. What is this? Ah, okay. Ah, this one, you order this one. Nice. American map man to. Yeah. My husband ordered this guy. Like that? No, like that. I like that. Like that pala. Map ng USA guys. We ordered this. One for us, one for her nephew, and one to her sister. Map man to yun, no? American map. Yun. 3 pieces. At guys, 2024 Christmas tree decoration guys to. Put right here. Yung red guy, yung si Grandpa went. My grandpa went in the red state. Oh, like that. We need to hang to my Christmas tree, guys. Ayan na, guys. Yan. My husband ordered this, guys. And arrived today. Christmas tree decoration. Saan ko kaya ito ibitay? Baka dito. Dito muna ibitay, guys. Kita ba? Ayan. Here. Oh, wow. Look at that. I need to slice them. Mag-slice tayo, mag-slice ng bread. So hot, guys. Slicing. Mag-slice ng bread. Careful to slice. So hot. It's so hot. Let's eat, guys. Need to add butter. Huh? Put butter while. Let's eat dinner, guys. Today is December 11. Tsaka. Ano po? The banana bread. See the butter. Butter over here. Ah. Yummy, guys. Let's eat, guys. It's our dinner, guys. Banana bread. Crunchy siya, but tomorrow, this is going so crunchy over there, oh. It's crunchy because hot. Okay. Hi Hi guys, today is December 12 and today is our wedding anniversary. My husband bought this flower. Yeah, I'm so happy. This flower smell good, guys. Happy wedding anniversary, mahal.
Thank you. Anniversary.
Hope more wedding anniversary until the end. Until the end of our life been together. So beautiful, yes. Smell good. Usually this morning I forgot my husband wake up so early. 7 o'clock, 7:30 I think. They wake up 7:30 because the weather is so cold. Then when they see I wake up, they told me happy anniversary. Oh, today is our anniversary. I thought it's 15 pa. Because our wedding, we got married on December 15, guy. December 12, 2015. So that's why sometimes I am confusing. Year pala yung 2015. But the date is 12. Okay. So beautiful flower. With matching this one. I have lot of flower base now. Okay, I have lot of flower base now. Nice. And the guy delivered this like this. He give me the flower like that and then signature. I shy pa because my hair, oh, I put rosemary oil to my hair. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Really good. Smell good. And that's it, guys. Peace, love, and joy.